Welcome to part 2 of my post-shower routine. I will be going through some of my favorite skincare products from Cocokind. I have gathered enough of their products by now that I can literally do a full skincare and body routine with Cocokind, and I'm so excited to share this with you. Full disclosure, these products were mainly gifted to me. However, this is not a sponsored video. I really just wanted to show you these products because I absolutely love them. I have very sensitive skin, and these products are always very calming and do as they say. So I just want to share these with you. The links to shop will be in the video description below. Other than that, let's get into it. I'm going to begin with 2 products first. So I have the Revitalizing Eye Cream, which I'm going to apply. I also love that it has a metal tip because it's nice and cool and helps to combat puffiness. Now I'm going to apply quite a bit, and I'm actually not going to blend it in yet because I'm going to put the reusable eye masks on top. So we're gonna stick that right on top of there. We'll let that all soak in. I love reusable eye masks, and these stick on to the product so well. One of my biggest pet peeves about under eye masks is when they start sliding down my face, but these stay in place, and I love that they can help this under eye revitalizing cream to soak in. While all of this is working its magic, I'm going to go onto my body care, and I have the retinol body cream. It is meant to improve uneven texture for smooth and supple skin. I'm not going to show you how I apply all of it, of course, but I'm going to apply this now. I'm going to squeeze it out so you can see the texture, and then I'm going to step away for a moment so I can apply it. It is so smooth and creamy. I absolutely love it. Okay, I'll be back. All right, I'm going to take this off. I'm just going to gently apply the rest of that. And I honestly love to start my routine off with the calming magnesium mist. So up first, I love to apply this ceramide barrier serum. It always feels so nice and relaxing on my skin. And as I apply all of these steps, I am going to keep taking about like a minute or two just so the product can soak in, so that way I'm not like layering before each product has a chance to soak in. Up next, I'm going to take their beginner retinol gel. To be honest, I generally just apply a bit of this to my forehead. I don't generally focus on applying this anywhere else. I'm very self-conscious about fine lines on my forehead, so I like to just make sure to treat this area specifically. So I'm going to let that soak in on my forehead. While that's happening, I'm going to use, because I feel like it, this Peptide Fine Line Eye Gel. I know I already used one of their other ones, but we're kind of just having a good time doing skincare today. So I'm going to take a little bit. I'm just going to let these areas soak in, and then I'll be back with another step. Up next has to be one of my favorite products. This is the Electrolyte Water Cream, and I just absolutely adore this product. You can see I applied about like 3 pumps. I wasn't counting. But I'm very generous with this because I love, love, love how it makes my skin feel. My skin feels moisturized, so soft. I absolutely love it. That is my full skincare routine with Cocokind. Again, I alternate products every now and then because there's so many, so stay tuned for another video because I can assure you I have so much Cocokind that I can create probably a lot of different routines. So stay tuned. This is my favorite routine to do. So thank you for watching and checking it out. The links will be in the video description to shop.